I'm gonna take this whole video right here, we're recording, so that mom can see where we went. And maybe she'll come with us when she has a baby. Ooh. What is it? What is it? What are they looking at? Ooh. Come on, let's go. Watch out, watch out. We gotta watch out for lions and tigers and bears.
There's lions?
Yeah. Ooh. See, why are you gonna watch out right here? Híjala. That scared the shit out of me. Go able to get close.
Yeah. Is it like going hunting?
No, I didn't kill it. Come on.
I have to.
No.
I have to.
Whoa. Look, there's lizards running. You can see them all running. Wait. Watch out, don't get scared. There's a lot of lizards here, huh? Look at a little trail up there. Used to have water. Look. Another one, look. Look at, see them? Watch out, look at they're running all over the place. Yeah, they're fast here. Oh, look at elderberry tree. Look at an elderberry tree.
What's up?
Right here, this tree, that's what it says elderberry. I don't know what it is, but we'll come Saturdays and learn.
Dad,
hey, they made this place bigger.
She touched the lizard and she hold it by the neck. She carried it.
Coast live oak. Oh.
Oh yeah, oak tree.
Yeah, that's an oak tree.
I learned about them. I know it's coming. They like the bears, they stretch your back and they eat it. Dad. Oh shoot.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
A dead baby possum. Don't touch it, Denise. Darlene.
It's sad, huh?
Yeah, we gotta watch out possums on the prowl.
There's possums?
Yep.
Hold it.
No, you can't hold it. It's dead. Come on. You want to hold it? Get out of here. See, this is nature.
Dad,
Don't worry, nature will make more.
Daddy, a baby die?
The baby died?
Why?
Probably fell out of the tree.
Yeah.
We used to ride our bikes over here, Martin. When we were kids, me and Ziggy. We used to, I touched how Ziggy come with us.
Brother?
My friend, you guys will meet him.
Huh?
You guys will meet him. Look at more lizards. Right there, he went in the bush. Last time me and Ziggy seen a snake here.
Oh, there's a snake right there. In California.
Denise, you want to hold Dardar's juice for her? A mugwort. What's a mugwort?
A mug?
What's a mugwort?
It's like I forgot what they are. I think they're black because of the wart and the mug.
Look at all the open field over there. Oh, lake trails. So they take us everywhere then, besides the... Wait, look at... Come on.
Dad. My baby. I saw that first. I saw that first.
The possum? Oh, look at cactus ellipticus.
Daddy.
Martin. Here, you hold this one. In case a dog or something comes. We're ready. This is where you can smoke free, Victor.
Smoke free?
See, I think later on we'll take... What?
This is the arrow.
Oh yeah, these are trails right here. But Darlene, we can't take Darlene on these trails.
What?
Cause she has shorts on and
we'll
yeah. We gotta stay on the cement path.
Yeah. Can we go?
Not today. Next Saturday we're gonna go.
I hope it's cold. Why shouldn't we go?
It's too young. You gotta be seven. You gotta be 7 to 12 years old.
Huh? Can we go on these trails?
Yeah.
Wanna go right now? Oh, hey, there's an airplane.
Nothing.
Can we go right now?
Oh, the lake trail. Ooh.
I want to go right there right now.
The who?
Let's keep on killing. Oh, can I go on the lake trail?
No, we can't go on the trails today.
Right.
Because that's into the dirt. What?
It's like the red and big blue violets.
Where?
I don't know, I went down. It just went. Maybe it was a ladybug. It was a spook.
It was a snake. Come on, Dada.
Snakes can fly?
Oh, but they're fast. I bet you there's a snake in there. Or a gopher. Come on.
Oh, look at that. Last time when we went back.
Oh, that's probably a gopher.
We saw something come
Oh,
out
right
of
there. Look at it. You can see him in the hole right there.
Where? Yeah, something brown came out of there.
Yeah, you gotta watch out.
What was it?
A lot of brown things come out of holes.
Did they bite?
What? Snakes? Hell yeah. That's the lake trail over there.
Okay, another arrow. Hey, look at I can
Yeah,
see
that's for the
Chinese
lake trail.
there.
Huh?
I can see the Chinese area.
Oh, yeah, the temple way up there, huh? Oh, you can see Real Hondo College. We should go up there on the bikes, too.
Aren't there people right over here, too?
Yeah. I don't know if you can ride in here. I think they kick you out, but...
Yeah, you imagine this is a trap? No, it didn't. Yeah.
Look at, what is this sign? Edison sign?
What's this sign? Huh?
Construction zone.
What's up?
I haven't been here in a long time.
Then why'd you know it would be a
Oh, look. Watch out, get out of the light, Margaret. Oi. Wee.
Look at this ass. Oh, look at that bird. How come birds have tails?
Remember, if you guys hear this sound, that means it's a rattlesnake.
I heard it. Oh,
It seems like there was more lizards in the beginning, huh?
I wonder what you know. Is there really bears or lions?
No. Oh, a snake. Watch out. Get back. Dennis, get over here.
Where?
Look at that snake. See him right there. See him? Wow, see him right there?
No.
He's right there in the thing. See him?
I can't see. He's blending in.
Yeah, go that way more. Watch out. Wow, look at him. See him moving? Here. Motherfucker. See him, Marty? He moved in. Watch, come here, Marty. See over here. See him? He's going in. He's backing up. Watch out.
He might come to there.
Look at that.
I want to go now. Oh, it's a red one. That looks like
Yeah,
Uncle.
look at that.
That looks like,
Shit,
that looks like Uncle
that's a
Richard.
big ass snake.
That looks like Uncle Richard.
Makes your heart beat, huh? Mine's beating and shit. Snakes are scary, dude. Watch out, no. Just kidding. That was big, huh?
Yeah, did they bite him?
I don't know. I don't want to find out. Wait. A lizard, another one. There it goes.
Oh, yeah, see.
See, I think it's because it's more cooler over here. The lizards are probably over here. Well, that's the guy right now.
But I heard the snakes. I didn't hear it. I just found out. Like, I just realized that the snakes are always in the
Come on,
water.
daughter, get it. Oh, look at this. Is the little lake right here. Oh, yeah, I remember this.
Please
Stay on design trails, yeah. Look at, check it out. Let's go over here. It's because they're trying to bring them back to life, the plants. That was a big ass snake, huh? Scared the shit out of me. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
How come there's water in there?
It's like a little pond. They used to have fish. Look at it.
What? They're a bone. Are we going back?
Oh yeah, look at bones.
Where?
See it?
Yeah.
It's like a possum or something.
Ew! I wish we could take it home, huh?
No, they usually get them and they
Hang them up.
You can see how they put stuff in there,
Yeah.
like like the chicken wire.
Yeah.
It's so things can come and make homes right there.
Why is it water? Yes, baby.
Wee. More lizards. See, yeah, I think it's because it's more cooler over here. Oh, that's the nature walk. What the heck is that? I wonder what that is. It's like a bee thing, it looks like.
Huh?
Or maybe birds. Oh, yeah, the birds. Alright, guys. The end of the tour. Thank you for coming.